Hello guys, I'm Hira Javed. Many of you know me as a writer and the rest know me as an influencer. It's a complete pleasure to be here and I'm all gratitude. To me, inspiration was never a person, but the situations in which I saw people giving up on their lives and losing all the hope and being so depressed to the point that they end up becoming suicidal. All this inspired me to write and heal them. Why this hashtag? Well, because most of the writers have been writing about love, heartbreaks, fairy tales, and all. I chose this hashtag because somewhere I myself can relate so much to this. I believe that this topic needs to be discussed and focused on as much as we focus on the rest of the topics because mental health really matters. Well, worst times. I have been through them a lot. And during my worst times, the most important thing that I keep doing is I look for positivity. No matter how tough, no matter how difficult, how bad, how worse, how harsh the situation around me gets. And it's been 3 to 4 years when I myself fell into the well of depression. And the main reasons of my depression were watching my parents grow old, having no siblings, and being the only child with so much responsibilities on my shoulder. And these fears started to act like a ghost. But Alhamdulillah, my friends and family they truly helped me a lot to cope up with that worst phase of life. Sadly, I have seen so many people accepting abuse, and the worst part is they don't realize that the mistreatment that they are accepting is actually an abuse. Abuse is not just harsh words blurted out in anger. Abuse is when people repeatedly take advantage of your loyalty, when they ruin your self respect in the name of love, when they keep lying to you because you're too blind to see their wrongs, when they treat you according to their moods because you're always focusing on the good side, when they yell at you knowing that at the end you are going to forgive them. Abuse is when they don't value you with consistency, knowing that no matter what, you are gonna stay. Please accept no abuses from anyone. Your mental health should be taken seriously because your physical wounds can be healed and you are recovered with time. But if you're not mentally stable, you'll end up becoming the person you never wanted to be. And you'll end up giving up on the people who are linked to you, and you'll end up hating your life and your existence. So, if you think that you are mentally unstable and you need someone's counseling or you need to open up in front of someone, it's completely okay to go to a psychologist or any person that you trust the most. Living in a society full of stereotypical mindsets, we have to aware people that this topic is not a taboo. We have to tell them that just like cancer, just like typhoid, just like fever, depression itself is a disease and it never happens to someone by choice or just because somebody broke up with his girlfriend or boyfriend or just because somebody is not performing well in studies. No, not at all. Depression is not anyone's choice. It can happen to anyone, anywhere, and because of any reason. And just like other diseases, it is curable. All you have to do is look towards someone who can help you get out of it. Out of all my writings, the one that is really close to my heart is there are some phases where you feel stuck, where you feel like you are not making any progress, where you feel like the people around you are moving so fast, where you feel numb and hopeless, where you feel left out, where you feel that you won't be able to compete with the rest of the world. But remember, it's just a phase, and we all go through such phases. And phases don't last forever. You have already survived so much, so you cannot give up right now. It's okay to be a little delayed, but remember, your delays don't define you at all. Keep believing in your God and His process. Your time will come.